Hello, all my Patreon supporters. I don't even know when the last time we put out a monthly coffee break video was. I've really been behind on it. Patreon is not what it used to be. They've started to introduce more features that we're going to check out, but I want to make sure I keep you all in the loop. That said, we do have Discord for everyone. You can jump on there. I try to get to that as much as I can. I did finally put alerts on my phone, so if you at me or you make an update to the channel over on the Discord, at least I get it now. Also, people have talked about our live chats, the Patreon live chats. We've done a few in the past, but I usually only wait until somebody requests one because they really haven't been all that popular. But we will have one coming up soon. I hope next week. You're probably watching this Sunday, Monday. Later this week, I'll put out something else. We'll get a time to do our live chat, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you can attend that. Now, what's been going on around the basement? Well, I've had a lot of projects in general lately. In October, I started rebuilding the back deck. That took way longer than I thought it was going to, so I've been focused on that, as well as, growing in my usual November beard. So I take a little time off around then to catch up on all of that good stuff, just as kind of a break as well. Now, as far as 3D printing goes, I am starting to look at a few different things. One being this, the Big Tree Tech Pad 7. Basically, it's another way to run Clipper. It comes with a Raspberry Pi module on it, and it's just a flashier way to integrate with Clipper, and you can have this screen to control it. Mainly, I'm interested in this to see if it makes running Clipper or configuring it any easier, but that will be a video coming up. We have a couple of other printers. I've got the King Rune KLP1, something like that. This will be the second one. Now, the first one didn't go over so well. I did purchase that one. It needed a lot of upgrades, and it didn't make it much past the first or second print before it started having issues. It's still sitting over there broken. But they sent me the replacement for it, free of charge. It's the newer version. We need to check that out, just to see what they did to make up for the really poorly constructed printer they sent me the first time. There's all kinds of other stuff going on, probably a lot of stuff I can't think about. Right at the moment, live streams. So we've been going through all of the Trident build. I don't know how many we've done, 5, 6, 400. I don't know at this point. But we're going to do more of these and we're going to finish it up. I am finally at a point now where we can start testing the firmware. And then maybe on the Patreon page, I'll put some sort of video together on how that went. There's a lot of steps to it. They're very complicated builds. Most of the Voron builds are. But all in all, this should be a pretty good machine once we get it done, but live streaming them does make them take quite a bit longer. So anyway, I know there's a lot of stuff that I missed, all kinds of stuff to talk about. We'll do that on the live stream chat just for the Patreon folks, but I wanted to get you out this update just to know, I know that I've been ignoring you a little bit, and I don't intend to do that. It's just everything gets in the way, but you are super important. This video is just for you, my awesome Patreon supporters, and I'll see you on the next coffee break.